Got smalls and larges inside of here.
I have 3 larges.
I got 3 splash.
I'll take the large.
Alright, I want to move in, but I don't know where to go.
Can you get up that hill?
This way?
That's
No,
where you
you
just
can't.
were, right?
I was looking at my map that whole time.
Just went up the hill just to kind of get some height going from here, I guess.
Catching up to you guys.
They're gonna buy 'em. And then some.
There's chest on here. DMR green.
Just keep going up this hill.
You got a purple Excalibur.
I got one. Oh wait, no, mine's blue. Okay, it's down there with you.
Yeah, just come here and get to me. Right across the way. Yep.
All right, let's pick the next thing.
Wait, what? I
Oh,
showing
shit.
Angler.
Down here.
Bring a freaking fishing pole.
Mark it. Okay, you got it. Oh, I see him. 36. 36.
Blah.
Alright. Let's move it. We'll get to the top of this mound here. Or do we get to this castle? On the island?
Okay.
That kind of will move us into the center.
Good height.
Very good. Yeah, I think that zip up.
Let me get shotgun ammo to spare. This frickin' Excalibur plus shotgun goes through mine.
There.
Plenty. Thanks.
Didn't feel like there's much
Flashes,
here.
just 1.
I'll take it.
I got 6.
I only have 3 right
I
now.
have 3 larges.
I got the splash. You see anything from the top?
No.
Coming up there. The one good thing about being this high up for our style of game is hammer guys can't like quickly close the gap, you know? We can go range if we want to stay range. This thing is freaking high, man.
Can we jump into the water if needed?
Fighting over here.
No, we can't. Not really. Yeah, no water jumps from here.
This guy?
This is where you'd
see
wanna,
that way down here.
28.
Oh shit.
28.
Fuck, I just blew up the wall in front of us. Yeah, that's a frickin'... They must have moved.
Oh, there's a guy on the hill.
Where?
28. 28.
DMR is better than this thing.
28. The DMR is not hit scan though.
Yeah.
What is that?
So if you hit the, like if you shoot him with the shotgun and he's in front of you, you're gonna hit him. That's a hit scan.
Oh, footsteps.
We're coming
Here.
down to the next level, or do you want to stay up here?
They're coming up here. I see them. Whoa. What's burning? Come to CB.
Not sure.
Come one more layer up.
Oh, they burned that. With stone, though. Get ready for some close combat.
I don't have anything for close combat. The hammer.
You don't have shotgun. You don't have.
The hammer.
Okay.
Well, bust it. I got that footprints.
Where's the door? Are you? Oh, come back up, CB.
I got hit twice. I got hit twice.
Yeah, come back up. Splash up. Whoa! Oh, the hammer's hammering me all the way off
Oh,
the thing.
sorry.
Gotta be careful with that thing.
Oh, hit the guy. A guy has it too. The other team.
You still at the top, CB?
No, I got hammered off.
Oh! Got one down.
Running back as fast as I can.
Oh shit.
Whoa, Deesh. Hold on, Deesh, no!
Oh shit. Sorry. Wait. Oh, I thought you died.
Where did I get hit from?
Oh,
This guy in the water.
Oh. You got him?
I got the guy in the water.
Oh, okay.
Oh. Shit, I'm just gonna chance it. Oh, footsteps right on me, Deesh.
Hammer, 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 hammer.
Oh!
Turn around.
Well,
Oh,
Take your last splash, Nick. Take it. Look up. They might have an angle on you at the top. Oh, okay.
oh yeah, good point. No. Where's Deej? The bottom there?
what's the card?
You guys don't have, what you call,
6 others.
and you can't revive me. You can't. There's nowhere to go, except in storm. So let it go.
Fuck, I'm getting rid of the flame bow, I guess.
Take
No, I'm
that.
getting rid of this long distance thing.
There's probably a guy up top. Yeah, somebody's
Let him
healing,
go.
but he's up
You guys
high.
got to get in zone.
You got a hammer,
guys-
Deesh? We can move faster. Get
Yeah.
in. Yeah? Let's go this way. Okay.
You
Just trying to get to the top of this rocky formation thing. Oh, fuck.
shit.
Where are you?
I can't.
Oh, shit.
Duck down. Hammer out.
Whoa,
Deej,
actually, I
follow
got out of
Nick.
there, yeah. Oh!
Oh, sorry.
It's alright.
They're shooting at me though.
Move the other way.
Don't. The other way. Move the other way. Towards Nick. Towards
Wait.
Nick. Towards Nick. Towards Nick. Towards Nick.
Oh. Okay.
2 teams, 5 players.
Just gotta hope that they wheel each other down a little bit.
Don't worry about the card.
Whoa.
No, don't even go over there.
Yeah, you're right. How many guys are left? Oh, is it a 3-on-1 already?
Yep.
Fuck. You guys couldn't have freaking helped me out a little bit? Bastards. I think the hammer's my only chance to like get somebody into the storm.
Just bounce around. Yeah, just bounce him in. The smaller the storm, the better for you.
Yeah. So even
So,
the
Duck
hammer,
down.
like if I'm traveling, that like launches guys too, right? It doesn't hurt them, but it launches
Yeah,
them.
yeah. It launches and just doesn't damage.
Okay.
But if you see yourself coming down on someone, then lay the hammer. It's gonna stick you on the ground for a little bit longer, but
But at least hurts them and it launches them.
right.
Ah, shit. Is there any good way to get up this thing?
Now, don't go in using all of your charges real quickly, because it's gonna have to recharge, and then you're not gonna be able to do
Shit,
nothing.
I gotta risk this.
You're not getting up. You're
Ah!
not getting up. Stop, stop, stop. You're not getting up.
Fuck. Damn, they must have been healing up. Yeah.
That one you can get up. And the next one you can get up. They're probably on the big top of the hill.
Whoa.
There it is.
Fuck, NPCs ratted me out.
All right, bounce him off. Bounce him off. Bounce him off.
Yeah.
Bounce in. Bounce in. Bounce in.
One guy got knocked.
Yeah,
Ignore him. Ignore the NPC. Bounce him off again.
Yes.
Oh, even better.
Yeah.
Good.
Where's everybody else?
The party
Below.
revived. Oh.
That's the
Yes.
second knock. Third knock, go for
One
the
left,
third. Right there,
one
the
left.
guy. He can't get up.
Oh, no,
he can't get
there's-
up. He has to go around the
Oh, yeah,
edge.
there's him. Yes.
Get ready to hammer him. If he comes up.
Can he even come up?
Where is he? Should I
Look
just...
to the left. He might be running to the left. Okay, maybe not. Because you're in the spot. Because you can get down if you want, if you need to.
Shit, is he rezzing his guy, you think?
No. Is he?
He could be,
What
huh?
did you see?
Oh! Oh!
He was pressing.
Ah, I
one
should
of
have
them
hammered
even
off. I
One
didn't
of
think it
them
was
even
that
revived.
high.
Oh, that you couldn't even hammer up to it.
Oh,
Remember
yeah.
you were trying to hammer
Yeah,
up?
yeah.
That was...
Ah! Fuck, I
Aw.
should have